In English, we often talk about things that are not true or not happening. One way to do this is by using the negative form of to-be verbs. These verbs include am, is, and are, as we have talked before. Let's learn how to form the negative sentences using these verbs in the simple present tense, and I will assure you by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to make sentences like I'm not hungry or she isn't here. To form the negative of to-be verbs in the simple present tense, we use the word not after the verb, to-be verb, am, is, are. The basic structure is first subject plus am, is, are, plus not, plus either a noun or an adjective or an adverb of place or time. We can also use contractions to make it shorter and more informal. The contractions are I am not, I'm not. Remember, we have only one contraction form for I am not. So, I amn't is incorrect. He is not, or he isn't. She is not, she's not, or she isn't. It is not, it's not, or it isn't. You are not, you're not, or you aren't. We are not, we're not, or we aren't. And lastly, they are not, they're not, or they aren't. For example, I'm not hungry. He isn't tall. She's not here. It isn't rainy. You're not my friend. We aren't late. They're not happy. Using the negative form of to-be verbs in the simple present tense shows that something is not true or not happening. Remember, using contractions like I'm not, isn't, and aren't is common in spoken English and can make your sentences sound more natural and conversational. Now you know how to make negative sentences with to-be verbs in the simple present tense. Remember, you can use contractions like I'm not, isn't, and aren't, as I said, to make your sentences shorter and sound more natural. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these sentences confidently in your English conversations.